Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unmerge the cell on your Microsoft Excel app on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to unmerge the cell? For an example, on your Microsoft Excel mobile, for example, this is a single cell which you can see the multiple cells has been merged. The same process has been here, the cell has been merged, and here cell has been merged, and here the cell has been merged. You just need to unmerge the cell. It's simple. Click on the cell first, then click on this arrow section on the bottom, and you will see this in our home section. Just scroll down, and you will see the merge and center is turned on. You just need to tap this. You can see the cells has been unmerged. The same process. Just tap it. You can unmerge it. And here the same. You just want to tap this merge and center option again, and you can see it's unmerged. The same process can be repeated for all the cells that has been merged, or you can just select overall thing and then click on the merge center and just unmerge it. This is how you just unmerge the cells on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile phones. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.